and you're up, here you go. We have that first opening bell print. And we have a high of 601.94. And as we open it up, we have one high and 20 lows within the actual opening print. So we'll be on it. We're going to look for the lower support level on this $600 call. That's only got a 20-cent premium. Crane put limit orders out there right now on the lower end at 6.70. Yeah, this is done live, Brian Plain. 6.70. There is a premium to the close. The range, 659. That close was 14. I've got that 840 print. That's that low, that high. Look at that high on the $600 call. I'm going to have to check the price print. $15 on the high, and I said down below the market until I verify it. This is on that opening bell on that $600 call. So for the new market maker that's attending here, if this print is true, that's that wholesale bid. And let me tell you something, that's a $7 drop with the $14 close. Look at that on that opening print. That's that $600 call. On the 610 put that we're watching, you don't have much of a spread on that opening print. I'm going to get ready to make that market. I'm going to go take a look at that. Let's update that in 1 minute. Now, I am a little over 1 minute. I'm going to come down to that wholesale bid. 582 traded. Look at that. 810, 85, 810 off of that low. There's that range, negative 15 pennies. Coming down to that wholesale bid. We got to find out and verify that price print. Here we go. We're going to check on that price print in Apple in 1 moment. How do I make a market within the market on opening bell? You throw it out at 750, someone pays you. That's within the actual turn. But you want to keep going back and forth between the bid and the ask. Okay? So if you're out at 750 or you want to cut the market to 740 but he will pay it up. But then you're going to have to get right back over here again at 710 off of that low. And this is live. And it's 8 minutes into the opening bell here and now. 40 cents wide bid and ask. So you're on the ask. Put one back over to buy at 710. Use a different exchange. And yeah, so you're over there to buy one and you're over there to sell one. And that's how you're going to learn how to trade the weekly opening bell print on a Monday, trading weekly premium here and now live, and how this premium will change throughout the calendar day several times. Now, what he can do based on this trend cycle, which I'm going to show next with the bid and the ask, but how do I buy wholesale in the weekly expiration back and forth until I finally make the market in the equity? Cancel, because you're finally getting that low. And let me tell everyone here now, we're going into 11 minutes of the opening bell, and that IR is above 25. You hit 0.51. Now altitude 0.37. As long as that keeps dropping lower, you'll have a bottom reversal. So you have bounced almost that $2 price ratio, and you can always limit back out on that 710 if we don't keep this bottom. Now, what we have to do is, whoa, yeah, there you go. That was a big IR pop right there, everybody. Now, put that out to sell at $8.50. Put that one out to sell at $8.50 in case you can get a bid pop here above 45 and you're 0.31. So you're coming off of that half delta, you're working that up on the open, but Brian Plain, you still may have to limit out, only because if we cannot have that teeny reversal. That's a 78 penny drop. But look at that, right here to that diamond bot alert, opening bell, left elbow down to that bottom reversal, 13 minutes of that opening bell. There's that bid, there's that ask. We're going to verify some of the prices, though, in that level, too, other than we're down here at the bottom. Now, if this doesn't stay above 35, he's going to put a limit order out to sell at 720. and narrow the bid and ask, because now that we have that bottom, we have to get dollar ratio ascending value in that SMFMMT diamond bot system at that teeny line. What? Reversal at that diamond resistance. And that is the opening bell and how to trade within that bid and ask. Whoa, there you go. You got a diamond pop. You're staying above 35. That's got to go below 30. Once that goes below 30, then we'll see 790 on these contracts on the upside. But this ratio, if it fails, we can always limit out at 740. We can make that market. We can be buyers at 710 as we are. It's here. Oh, yeah, he's going to be doing that right now because he's got a teeny reversal wick here on that live opening bell. And that's this live weekly call. It's working for him. Hey, there's that 740 by 7. Now, remember how we were bidding 710 and selling 750. It doesn't matter to us, and we are 680. We're 610, 580, 560. That's the lower market based on that opening bell entry. 14 minutes to that opening bell. It's live right now on this opening bell. And that 680 handle is holding, and he's out to sell it. But you have to have an uptick for him to get hit. And then now put your bid out at 710. So sell 740 and bid back at 710. Use a different exchange. That's how you do it. Oh, yes. There, you're out on that side. Bid at 710 back in. Because he's holding that. That's here. That's now. That's how to get in. 60 pennies wide in that bid and ask. How do I buy that? Why? Oh, there it is. 40 by 80. Oh, my goodness. Look at there. Now, we got other contracts. We're going to limit those other ones out. They go out there. You're going to hit that 790. That's that $1.10 penny entry rule. Now you're at that 8. Remember that upside on that would be at $8.50. But right now, put that bid back below the marketplace. Put that bid back at 710 just in case. Let's go take a look at that chart. Let's take a look at it, how exciting it is. Now, let's take a look at that bottom here. MMT, you're holding above that 35. You're right at 0.29. That means that that diamond bottom reversal right here as far as equity goes equals that bid and ask support level within the actual 635 call. It's here, it's now, it's live, and it's forever giving. Once you get that wholesale bid, it does give. And that's what that diamond reversal looks like. And I'm going to find out about the data on the highs. 610 put, I'm hearing on Apple Computer. We're going to conclude the current bid and ask, how to work the bid and ask both on that live opening bell, and how you can walk the ask higher. You get 50 contracts, you sell 35, you hold the other 15 contracts in the bid and ask zone. And if it doesn't, hey, if this diamond reverses, then you sell out at 770 and you're still making 90 cents on the rest of it. So we're going to conclude that 16-minute opening bell print here and now live. All the more reason for us to know how that 645 put came down. It's at 1020 by 1070 right now. 1050 was the last print. And that 645, tell you what, this is that diamond reversal. Here it is on Apple Trade. We just made a market. Yeah, we did. And we talked about it in pre-market of going up to 607.75. Excuse me, that's where you sell into the strength. Does it matter that it went up to 609? No. What it does matter is that we're buying that 610 put. And this is all happening on the opening bell in 19 minutes. Ring-a-ding-a-ding-ding. And you can see on the 710, I'm not watching it. I'm not watching it. It's reversing, Google. Cancel that bid until I can get there. Cancel that bid until I can get there. Once again, there's that Google trade. That's in the first video. That's that diamond reversal live on Apple. We're going on to the next one. I'm going to get short, cross that bid, come up on the other side of it is what I'm going to tell them.